I'm here with you, I feel so good. We started anew. Every time I close my eyes, I feel at peace, at peace. Bluebirds flying over Mercy, maybe they don't care what people say. They will know that all is gone, and they feel at peace, at peace. Roses, rosemary and wine, it's all the things that are divine. They will give you peace if you say so. Good luck, sobering up though.
Take it, knife in your hand, cut your throat, that will be the end. All the misery, all the pain will go away once you do. Keep it in mind, after you do, your soul will go straight to hell. God's plan isn't to kill, not anybody, not yourself. Time is slowly going by, it's time for you to decide. End your misery or continue it in this misery. That is war, no hope, not for all, and you, my dear, are one of them. Those who are left, they are left with nothing. It's better for you to leave it all behind. It's better for you to forget it all. It's better for you, just end it.
Now you see what war is, what it made me do. Every time I wished for something new, it gets taken away, away, away. I want to go somewhere nice. Nobody trying to hide, hiding from fears, hiding from sadness, hiding from me, hiding from you. Darkest, darkest, deepest fears come to haunt you with this. They come true, they come true, they come